Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is the best way to make money online. So, if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So, if you're new here, this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So, if you're interested in that, make sure that you do hit that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell, because that will notify you every time I put a video out, which is every single day. So, with that being said, let's get right into it, and here is the best way to make money online. So, first of all, you're going to want to become an online influencer. This is the best way to get started. Some people are not going to like this, but this is, I believe, the best way to do it. So, the good thing about this, the good news is you're going to be able to talk about anything that you actually enjoy. So, you want to choose something you like. And if you don't know what you like, look at what you're looking up on YouTube. If you're watching YouTube videos, and you're watching me, for example, but you can also watch other videos, other channels of so many other people. Maybe they're doing fitness, maybe they're doing entertainment, maybe they're doing cooking, maybe they are repairing their cars. It doesn't matter. Whatever you're interested in that you can actually teach, this is where you're going to be able to become an influencer. Because some people are just entertainers, but they are going to have a much harder time to actually make money. You can make some money, but you're going to have to grow your channel like crazy. And some people that have 100,000 subscribers make way more money than some people that have 2 million subscribers. And that's because of the nature that they can actually teach it and make some money from that. So, you are going to look at somebody that you actually look up to. No matter who it is, you're going to provide the same content as them. Provide some content that's actually helpful, that's valuable. This is something that if they have a lot of subscribers, then that is something that you are going to have to do, because that means there is a space for you in that niche. So you're going to have to provide some valuable content. And once you're doing that, you're going to ask me, how do I monetize this? And there are different ways to do this, because a lot of people think that on YouTube, to monetize it, you have to be running some ads. And that is a way to do it. You're going to make some money from ads. But it's going to be very little money, because compared to other ways that you can make money, it's going to be very small. Because here are some other ways. A lot of big YouTubers are having their own products. So this can be t-shirts, this can be all sorts of merch that you can see all over the internet, but it can also be some courses, because if you're teaching something and you make videos about this, you can also make a course, and you'll have the same information, but the information will be from start to finish, and just taking people by the hand and going step by step by step until they get to the end goal, which is maybe fitness, being very fit, being able to work on their cars, or just like I just said in my other examples, you can work that out by yourself. So whatever you can teach, you can do that. The next way is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is massive, and I talk about this a lot on this channel because it cuts out so many things that other businesses have to deal with, like customer service, people that aren't very happy. You don't have to fulfill orders if you're doing like real merch. There's a ton of things that get cut out because you're not actually the company. All you do is you send traffic to that company. So there are a few ins and outs of this which I won't go into in this video, because there's a ton of videos on this on my channel, so you can check these out if you're interested, and you probably should. But affiliate marketing is, in my opinion, one of the best ways, if not the best, to get started and actually scale your business. This is my favorite one by far, so you should probably look into that if you're getting started. So, with that being said, I really hope that you got a ton of value in this video. If you did, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you get notified every time I put a video out. Also, leave me a comment because I always appreciate these, and leave me a like because, believe it or not, this helps my videos rank up way more. So I really appreciate if you do these. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.